Now, when it comes to lipstick, your girl don't play, okay? Don't play with me about lipstick, okay? I need pigment that don't play. I need comfort that surprises me and comforts me like a warm, fuzzy hug on a cold winter night. I need longevity that survives dinner and after dinner, if you know what I mean. I want Hollywood red. I want deep berries. And baby, these lipsticks exude confidence, power, and a perfectly curated lip that is non-negotiable. Now let's get you BELLAfied. Starting with Pat McGrath Labs Elson. This is not just a red, babes. This is authority in a tube. It is a classic blue-based power red that instantly says, I'm booked, busy, and unbothered. It is universally flattering, no excuses, no hesitation, crisp, bold pigment that commands attention. It's the kind of red that makes even a neutral outfit feel expensive. It's the lip you wear when you're closing deals, hosting meetings, or walking in a room where everybody needs to know your name. Next, let's look at Louis Vuitton Rouge Louis. Luxury babes, this is one for the soft-spoken powerhouse. Rouge Louis is a refined, elegant, and effortlessly chic, quiet confidence with a couture finish. It is polished color that screams old money energy. Perfect for an elevated everyday glam, pairs perfectly with those camel coats, tailored blazers, and boss energy. This is the lipstick equivalent of saying less and being remembered more. There is a reason why this next lipstick is always sold out. Pat McGrath does it again with McMenemy. We're talking mystery, drama, and main character energy. It's that deep, sultry statement lip that turns heads without asking for permission. It's rich editorial depth. It's fashion girl approved. It's bold enough to make simple looks unforgettable. And it gives I run things after dark energy. This is your winter night power move, dim lights, luxe textures, and undeniable confidence. Let's go, babes. Louis Vuitton Fearless Night. The name alone, a mood. Fearless Night is for that babe who isn't afraid to stand out and doesn't need validation while doing it. Its deep, sexy tones has a rebellious edge and high impact color that owns the room. This is perfect for winter nights, events, and elevated glam moments. This is not a blend-in lipstick, babes. This is a I make the rules lipstick, and I do not apologize for it. And finally, the ultimate soft glam seductress shade is Anastasia Beverly Hills Mocha Berry. It is a warm, wearable, and effortlessly sexy kind of lip that works everywhere. It's a perfect balance of berry warmth and nude elegance. It's ideal for daily wear with a polished finish, and it gives put together even on minimum makeup days. This is the lipstick that says you're consistent, you're confident, and you're always camera ready. Babes, these are the lipsticks that don't just complete a look, they complete the mindset. If you want to heat up your winter and step fully into your boss babe era, start with the lips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay BELLAfied. And if you want, drop a lipstick in the comments if you want a top 5 liner or top 5 power glosses next. Your beauty bestie always has you covered. Stay luxe and stay confident. And yes, babes, stay BELLAfied.